Hey, hello, welcome back to my channel Stocks Babu. On 20th December, Suraksha Diagnostics Limited has announced their quarterly reports, and let's check it out how they performed for this quarter. And here all the figures were given in lakhs. So for our better understanding, I will let you know in crores. And to begin with, the total revenue from operations for September 2024, they made 66.75 crores, and for June it is the 60 crores, and last year September 2023 the revenue from operations is 60.04 crores. So here clearly year on year and quarter on quarter the revenue from operations has been increased steadily. And when it comes to the expenses made by the company for September 2024, they made 54.43 crores for September 2024, whereas for June 51.31, and last year September 2023, the total expenses incurred by the company is 49.63 crores. So here how the revenue has grown year on year and quarter by the company. In the same way, the expenses were also increased year on year and quarter. And when it comes to the profit for the period or PAT, they made 10.15 crores for September, 7.66 crores for June, and last year September 2023, the net profit is 8.33 crores. So here also clearly we can see a growth in terms of year on year and quarter by the company. And when we check it out at the earnings per share, the diluted EPS stood at 1.94 for September and 1.49 for June, whereas last year September the diluted EPS stood at 1.58. So here also clearly the EPS has grown steadily year on year and quarter by the company. When we talk these numbers in terms of percentage wise, the total income in Q2 FY25, the company achieved a total income of 60.07 crores, making a 12.3% year on year increase. And for H1 FY25, the total income was 129, nearly 130 crores, reflecting a 14.5% year on year growth. And when it comes to the EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization for Q2 FY25 stood at 24.51 crores and a 14.6% year on year rise, and an improved EBITDA margin of 36% can be seen. And when it comes to the profit after tax, Q2 FY25 PAT was 10.16 crores, up by 22% year on year, resulting in a PAT margin of 15.2%. That is 130 basis points. And half yearly FY25 PAT totaled 17.82 crores, a significant 45.3% year on year growth. And when it comes to the revenue per patient, when we talk in terms of operational metrics, the revenue per patient for H1 FY25 is nearly 2099, nearly 2100 rupees, and EBITDA per patient stood at 761 rupees for H1 FY25. Revenue per lab, each lab generation on average revenue of 140 millions during H1 FY25. And significant investment initiatives like geographical expansion. The company plans to strengthen its presence in West Bengal and expand into adjacent markets in eastern and northeastern India, focusing on underserved areas. Service diversification. Suraksha aims to increase its business to business, we call it as B2B, and corporate partnership to diversify revenue strengths and enhance brand. Polyclinic model, the integrated model of pathology, radiology, and medical consultation services, is considered a significant competitive advantage, offering a comprehensive healthcare solutions to the patients. While their market position and their outlook, we can say, holds a strong position in its core market with approximately 95% of revenue coming from West Bengal and the remaining from Bihar, Assam, and Meghalaya. The company is optimistic about sustaining its growth momentum through significant expansion, service diversification, and technical advancements, aiming for continuous improvement in financial performance. And this is all about Suraksha Diagnostics Limited. Thank you.